So we're writing and evaluating mission statements. So what we see on this slide here is the mission statement analysis core process. So the mission the mission statement can be developed or written once we have done the mission analysis. So we want to make sure we analyze and then we can start writing. So a good list or idea or concept to work off of is what you see here on this slide. It's the mission statement analysis core process, which has the 5 W's: the who, the what, the when, the where, and the why. So the who, the characteristic of the who is that who's going to be doing this task and who's going to be making sure that we're achieving our purpose. So this can either be the entire organization, it can be a unit, it can be a team, it can be a department. It depends on leadership and what leadership is focused on. So that's the person, the organization, or anything in between. The what deals with what are we doing in terms of tasks? What are we actually accomplishing? So the end state of the task, which is related to the why of the mission, right? So what are we doing it? Why are we doing it? It is the action. So in short, the task addresses the actions that the leader wants achieved. So what are we doing? When are we doing it? The when talks about the time span from start to finish. When do we begin and when do we need to be done? So this is the time period, which typically is a constraint since we do not have infinite amount of time. Where are we doing it? So we are going to now define where the task is to be achieved. So this gives us some operational boundaries for what we are doing. So where are we doing the task? Lastly, we have the why, which is telling us the purpose of completing something, of doing some action. So the why of a mission statement concerns that exactly. What is the purpose of the what we are doing? And we want to make sure we're including the purpose so that we can make a connection to our stakeholders so that they know what the reasons are for us to be doing what we're doing. Okay, that's going to capture the mission statement analysis core process. And that's it for this brief recording.